Hey cuties! Today I'm going to show you how to draw and color this snowmobile. To make sure the drawing is straight, I use a ruler and draw a very long line. After that we'll start with the body of the snowmobile. We'll begin at the front and draw to the rear. Then we draw the entire drive. We draw the chain. And make the chain a little wider with very small waves. Now I quickly color the chain in the color black. Parallel to the drive chain we now draw a border. Now we draw an intermediate wheel. Then we draw a cross connection. Next we draw a large drive wheel. And after that we draw many other cross connections into the entire drive. I'll show you step by step how I do it. And you just follow along as best you can. Once you have finished the drive, continue with the skids. We draw a large skid. And then we draw the shock absorbers. Next we draw the footboard. At the end of the footboard, we draw a mudguard. Now we continue drawing on the hull. We draw the front fairing of the snowmobile. Then we draw a medium-sized housing on the tread. And now we draw the seat surface on this middle housing. Next we draw a windshield. Then we draw the handlebars with two handles. Now let's draw a large spotlight. And finally we draw a lightning bolt on our snowmobile for decoration. Our snowmobile is now finished. In the next part of the video I'll show you quickly how I painted my snowmobile. I painted the drive unit black and blue. The skids were painted dark blue, and the transparent window light blue. I colored the light yellow, and the flash orange. I used green paint for the bodywork of the snowmobile. After that I painted the seat brown and the mudguard gray. Finally the handlebars were painted gray and red. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you again next time. See you soon.